one piece of cheese or a single piece of meat. But behind this price tag is a team of experts, a single company. Beef breeding specialist here at Kobe Premium Wagyu. For 35 years, we've perfected the art and science of producing the world's finest beef. This is where we select the specific genes for modification. Taste. This bloodline has consistently produced the syncs with our company database, providing real-time traceability of each calf. You can see all the critical information populating here. Welcome to our feeding facility. Each animal here receives individualized fabric care for every you see.
Fictions, powerful nutritions. This is the grain blend we've formulated for optimal nutrition.
First we have corn provides for energy. Next is barley, rich in fiber. Then it's barley. For a feeding system ensures precise and consistent feed delivery to each stall, optimizing the feeding.
The temperature is holding steady, but humidity is climbing faster than projected.
The water is now crystal clear thanks to our advanced purification process. At KPW for 30 years. Every piece of meat must earn its grade. No shortcuts, no exception. Assess the quality of marbling in meat. As you can see, it references different doses of marbling from most basic
This batch shows excellent marbling, particularly in the higher grades.
Agreed. I'm logging the data now for the final approval.
Some of our most exclusive beef undergoes dry aging. This room is where time transforms good beef into something extraordinary.
Here are the current temperature and humidity readings.
Looks good. Approved.
Alert on the temperature reading.
Once these are installed, let's check the physical thermometer together.
I am Yuki Tanaka, Quality Control Manager at KPW. From this moment until delivery, the cold chain never breaks. I personally verify every shipment meets our standards.
These knives, I've used them for 3 decades. Each cut must respect the animal and honor the customer who will receive this beef.
Then is also confirming the delivery details.
Yes, I confirm receipt. At Kaiseki, we serve only Kobe Premium Wagyu. When you work with the best product in the world, you treat it with absolute...
On the sunny coast.
From Japan to this plate in New York, this steak represents a team of dedicated professionals all committed to one thing, perfection. This dish originates from a traditional recipe, and I'm proud to present it using the finest ingredients, including KPW. When you purchase our beef, you're not just buying meat. That if you do something, do it right. No shortcuts, no compromise. In 30 years, I've cut thousands of steaks. Every single one, I cut as if it were for my own family.
Every package I approve has my name on it in our system. I personally stand behind every piece that leaves our facility.
Work with beef from everywhere. Nothing compares to KPW. I trust them completely, which means my customers can trust me. This includes 32 months of feeding, specialized genetics, expert labor.
This is Kobe Premium Wagyu. This is our commitment. This is the $1,000 steak.
Tips about